Hello friends. We brought a microwave oven for repair. Let's see its name. Elenberg MS-2003 M. As the client said, she stopped heating. Let's check. Put a glass of cold water in it and turn it on. I already tested it behind the scenes and it really does not heat the water. The water was cold and still cold. Let's take it apart and see what's wrong. I found the problem and now I'll show you. Here two wires go into the magnetron and on one of them the insulation was crumpled and because of this there was no proper contact. I cut the insulation and pushed it back a little, after which the microwave began to work normally. It turns out that when assembling this microwave oven at the factory, the wire connector was not connected correctly and the insulation got between the magnetron and the contact, which caused poor contact. After a while, the contact ceased to contact normally. I just cut the insulation and pushed it back, after which everything worked. Now let's plug everything back in and assemble the microwave. After the test, the water became hot. Let me collect and show you the result. I also checked all the fuses. They were good. The problem was a bad contact on the magnetron. Let's try heating the water again. Let's make sure there's no steam coming out of the water. Here we see that steam is coming from the water, which means that it is warming. All friends, I hope the video was useful. Subscribe to the channel. Put your fingers up and good luck with your repairs. See you later.